Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top of choice files 11, 12, 13, 14. The first is called Pill Volume, makes the volume and brightness sliders into control center pills. This is called Cydia Timeout 5. For Cydia to only spend 10 seconds trying to refresh each source. This is called Milky Way 3. And if you guys are wondering like, well, why the Cydia Timeout source, that mean that it was down. The tweak, well, it wasn't. Actually, technically, the repo it's from tweaked. That repo and website, it's been down for last day or two. But hopefully, developer, update it and it should be working. But right now, that repo is down, which is the tweaked repo. But that's what it's called Milky Way 3, and it's basically like a multi-window tweak. So pretty cool. You have like multiple windows open at one time, just like that. This is called Aquarius. Beautify the lock screen player. Now we're to iOS 14. See, it's from tweaked. It's not gonna load because the tweaked repo is down. This is called Better Multitasking for iPad. So also series tweak. It runs iPhone apps natively in iPad. It runs multiple apps of the same app. This is called Smart Battery 2. And all the tweak to monitor, save, and tune your battery. It's called End Control. Now with iOS 13 and iOS 14 support. So it allows you to use these controllers right here, and you could able to support MFI controllers. You can now play those games using the controller. Let's use a widget. It's called Etienne Watch. It's a clock inspired from the game Firewatch. This is called Matson 2103, dynamic background inspired by macOS. This is called Alderus Color Picker support library for tweets. This is called V Wallpaper, as a video as a wallpaper. This is called Iconizer, and a level 1 tweet gives you full control over your Springboard icons. Customize your Springboard icon appearances without the need to modify any system files. This is called My Bar Home Bar Customization. This is called Courier Message App the way you want. This is called Dark Cloud removes ads and enables dev menu. So just all enjoy, moves audio and videos in the SoundCloud app. This is called Essential Utilities, iOS 11 to 14. The perfect bundle with essential commands. This is called Bati 4. And you can easily control your icon layout with a quick swipe up from the home screen. This is called Home Plus Pro, dynamic live home screen layout with a 2-shift UI. This is called Auto Scroll, as it was updated, support iOS 14. It is $2.99. So if you're tired of mechanically scrolling, this will automatically scroll down for you, so you don't have to keep scrolling down with your thumb or finger. This is called Enchant and enhance your notifications. This is called Buy Breadcrumbs, and get rid of the breadcrumbs on your iOS device. This is called Total Charge Sounds. It plays a selected tone alert when your battery is totally charged to 100%. This is called Where and Fake Your Location. So it's just like a relocate, reborn, or relocate alternative. She's called Escape. A fake incoming call to escape from a pretty embarrassing moment. Now she's called Dock Controller and control your dock. So these features are here. This is called Add Source and crowd iOS 8 to 14. You can add many sources at once, copy sources, fast delete sources, identify the source, delete or copy them, update the source in the background, select the source, and then solve the mistakes of random sources, fast delete, install, or update tweak. This is called Date Picker Wheels. So place the new inline date picker with wheels. Date picker known for previous iOS versions. This is called emoji localization, correct localization for emoji keyboard. This is called Reddit Hider, hide RPAN, recommend subreddits and subreddit surveys. This is called Home Screen Quick Actions, control the home screen quick actions on your device. Support iOS 13 and above. This is called Mandarin Bypass, bypass your protection on Bank, Mandarin, Online, and Dozia. Indonesia. This is called Lock Nice, just appearances of the lock screen. Supports iOS 10 to 14. This is called Fits Random Resprings. So still using iOS 14. Increases springboard allowability, memory as much as possible to prevent springboard crashes and stop random resprings. This is called Flowic, music controls everywhere. This is called Short Emoji 2. Number 1 keyboard tweak, requires iOS 13.0 and above. Bring back life into your keyboard by bringing tons of useful functionalities to your keyboard. This is called What to Suit 3 for WhatsApp, all-in tweak for WhatsApp Messenger. Supports iOS 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Next is called Photos Pro. Customize the application photos. And the last tweak is called Safe Cycle, and a companion tweak for the Sleep Cycle app. So you guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.